Right, let's take a look at how we can upload our bulk leads. So this is a default sign-in screen, or the one that you're going to see as your dashboard every time you sign in. We'll come over here on the left side and we'll find the tab that says Contacts. From there, we'll go down to the Leads label, click into this screen, and then we're going to find the green button up at the top. You can see here we don't have anybody in the system currently. We'll click that button, and the second option is going to be Import Leads. That's going to be our bulk import option. That's going to give us this pop-up, and we'll go through these next couple screens and set everything up so the file uploads properly. The first one is going to be asking us to select a CSV file, which is a common file format that gets output from other CRMs or email lists that you may already have. We'll go ahead and select the one that I have here on my hard drive. And you'll see the system actually looks into the document and says that all of the field names that are already existent populate here on the left side. And then it's going to automatically match up the closest one from within the system to what makes sense. Now, if you have other things that might make sense or it didn't populate correctly because this might say email address instead of email, that might not populate. And you can go in there and go ahead and select that and make sure that it makes sense. For now, we'll go ahead and continue. You'll see here there's going to be a couple examples. The names are populating in the names, the emails are populating in the emails, phone numbers are where the phone numbers should be, everything there looks fine. We'll continue. So the options here are going to handle how the data is imported. This top one is going to only update fields that are empty. Now that's recommended because it keeps you from overwriting anything, but does allow you to add information that may be missing. The second option here is going to update with the data that you're uploading, and it's going to also overwrite fields that may already be existent. And then the last thing is that if a profile already exists, it's not going to touch anything there, whether there's missing information or whether there might be something to overwrite. It's not going to do any of that. It's going to completely ignore that person if they already exist in the system. And there might be alternate use cases where you would select each of these. For now, we're going to go ahead and stick with the recommended up top. We can add tags. Let's say, for instance, that I got all of these leads from a specific source. Let's say I gave a lead magnet. I already have one in here, so I'll go ahead and select lead magnet 1, and that's going to tag everyone in this upload. I'll go ahead and complete. Then you can see here the phone number, the email, and the names all populated in the proper place, and all of the leads I uploaded have been tagged with that specific tag, and that's going to allow us to make better use of moving them through the system.